Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we are talking about something very important, something many learners feel but never talk about: social anxiety when learning English. If you feel shy, scared, nervous, or uncomfortable speaking English, you are not alone. This is more common than you think.
Yes, absolutely. So many people feel this way. When you try to speak English, your brain suddenly becomes very active. It starts asking questions like, what if I make a mistake? What if my accent sounds strange? What if people laugh at me? And because of these thoughts, your heart beats faster, your hands feel cold, and your voice becomes small. That's social anxiety.
And the important thing to understand is this: you are not scared of English, you are scared of judgment. You are afraid of what people might think about your speaking. But here's a big truth: most people don't think about you at all. Everyone is busy with their own life.
Exactly. People are more focused on themselves than on your mistakes. And making mistakes is completely normal. Everyone, even native speakers, says words wrong sometimes. They forget grammar. They restart sentences. It's part of being human.
Let me give you an example. Think of a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. But do we laugh? No. We say, "Good job, try again." Learning English is the same. You will fall sometimes. You will make mistakes. And that's how you grow.
So, the first big step to overcoming social anxiety is this: accept mistakes. Love your mistakes. They are your teachers. When you stop fearing mistakes, you start learning freely.
The second step is start small. You don't need to speak to a big group right away. Start with simple things. Talk to yourself in English. Practice in front of a mirror. Speak with an AI partner. Try one small conversation with one person. Small steps build big confidence, slowly, gently, and naturally.
Yes, confidence grows like a plant. You water it a little every day. And one day you look back and think, wow, I am not scared anymore. That moment will come.
So remember, you are learning, you are growing, and you are brave. Social anxiety doesn't mean you are weak. It means you care, and caring is beautiful.
Stay with us for part 2, where we talk about practical techniques to reduce anxiety and speak English confidently.
Now that we understand why social anxiety happens, let's talk about how to reduce it and how to speak English with confidence, even when you feel nervous.
Yes, because knowing the problem is only the first step. The next step is learning the tools, the techniques that make your mind calm, your heart steady, and your speaking stronger. Technique 1. Slow breathing to calm your mind.
Before you speak English, your body becomes tense. Your brain feels danger. But when you breathe slowly, you send a message to your brain that says, "It's okay. I am safe."
Do this for 30 seconds before speaking. Such a small thing, but it can change everything. Your voice becomes smoother. Your mind becomes clear. Technique 2. Prepare simple survival phrases.
Another great way to reduce fear is to memorize simple English phrases that you can use anytime. This gives you a safety net. Some good ones are, "I'm still learning English." Can you repeat that more slowly? "Sorry, I didn't understand." Can you say that again?
These phrases are like your English shield. When you have them ready, you feel confident. You don't freeze, you don't panic. You know exactly what to say when you feel lost.
Technique 3. Shadowing. Train your brain and tongue. Shadowing is simple. You listen to a sentence and speak at the same time. It can be from a movie, a podcast, or even this video.
Shadowing does something magical. It trains your tongue. It trains your mouth muscles. It trains the rhythm of English. It's like learning a song. The more you hear it, the more natural it becomes.
And when English feels natural, your anxiety goes down. Technique 4. Positive self-talk. Talk to yourself kindly.
Many learners speak to themselves negatively. My English is bad. I sound stupid. I will never improve. But you know what? Your brain listens to every word you say to yourself.
So change the message. Say, I am learning. I am improving every day. I can speak. I am brave.
Positive self-talk doesn't just feel good, it changes your confidence, your motivation, your mindset.
Technique 5. Record yourself, small but powerful habit. This is one of the most powerful techniques. Record yourself speaking for just 30 seconds every day.
At first, you might not like your voice. That's normal. But after a few days, you will notice something amazing. You sound clearer. Your accent improves. Your confidence rises.
Your voice becomes a diary of your progress, and progress kills anxiety. Technique 6. Micro practice. 1% every day.
You don't need to study 3 hours a day. Just 1% improvement every day is enough. Speak for 2 minutes. Learn 3 phrases. Watch 1 short video.
Small steps are the secret. Small steps build powerful confidence, and powerful confidence destroys fear.
These techniques will help you calm your mind, control your fear, and speak English more naturally.
Stay with us for part 3, where we talk about how to stay motivated all the time, even when you feel tired, busy, or discouraged. Part 3, How to Stay Motivated All the Time. Simple and powerful guide.
Welcome to part 3. Now that we learned how to reduce social anxiety, let's talk about something every English learner struggles with: motivation. How do you stay motivated every day? How do you keep learning even when you feel tired, busy, or discouraged?
Yes, motivation is like energy. Some days it is high, some days it is low, and that's normal. You don't have to feel excited every day to learn English. You just need small, simple habits.
Step 1. Make English fun.
If English feels boring, you will quit. So make it fun. Watch English movies, cartoons, short clips, podcasts, whatever you enjoy.
Yes, learning should not feel like punishment. Choose topics you love: travel, music, cooking, sports, technology. When you enjoy it, your brain learns faster.
Step 2. Set small, easy goals.
Don't say, "I want to be fluent." That's too big. Instead, make small goals, like learn 5 phrases today, speak for 2 minutes, listen for 10 minutes.
Small goals are easy, and when you achieve them, you feel proud. Feeling proud builds motivation.
Step 3. Make a simple daily routine.
You don't need to study for hours. Just a small routine every day is enough. For example, morning, listen for 5 minutes. Afternoon, speak for 2 minutes. Night, learn 3 new words.
This routine is simple. Anyone can follow it. Small daily practice beats long study once a week. Step 4. Track your progress.
Humans love progress. So write down what you learned today. You can write, I learned 3 phrases. I spoke for 2 minutes. I watched an English video.
When you look back after 1 week, you will think, wow, I improved. This feeling gives you strong motivation to continue. Step 5. Surround yourself with English.
Change small things in your life. Change your phone language to English. Follow English channels. Read English subtitles.
These little things make English a natural part of your life. When English is around you, learning becomes automatic. Step 6. Have a practice partner.
Learning alone is hard, so practice with someone, a friend, a classmate, a family member, or even an AI partner.
Speaking with someone makes learning fun and natural. You don't have to be perfect, just talk. Step 7. Rest when you need to.
Motivation becomes weak when you are tired, so rest is important. Take a break when your mind feels heavy.
Rest is not failure. Rest is part of learning. A fresh mind learns faster. Step 8. Believe you can learn.
This is the most important step. You must believe in yourself. Say, I can learn. I can improve. I can speak.
Yes, English fluency doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from not giving up.
So remember, make English fun. Set small goals. Practice a little every day and believe in yourself.
Your English journey is long but beautiful, and every small step is progress.
Thank you for listening to Part 3. Keep practicing, keep growing, and stay motivated.